Hello, viewers, welcome to Mindful Space. In today's video, we're going to dive into the realm of romance and dating, sharing 10 special tips on how to make a man miss you. Whether you're in a long-distance relationship or simply want to create a sense of longing and desire, these tips will help you capture his heart and make him yearn for your presence. Let's get started. 1. Maintain independence. It may sound counterintuitive, but maintaining your independence is key to making him miss you. It is really important to have a fulfilling life outside the relationship and pursuing your own passions. This will not only make you more attractive, but also create a sense of intrigue and make him appreciate the time he spends with you. 2. Create memorable moments. Creating memorable moments together is crucial in making him miss you. Ideas to create memorable moments, such as planning surprise dates, trying new activities, or embarking on adventures together. By making each moment special and unique, you'll leave a lasting impression on his heart. 3. Give him space. Giving him space is essential for fostering longing and desire. It is really important for maintaining a healthy balance between togetherness and personal time. Allowing him to miss you will make the time you spend together even more meaningful. 4. Be mysterious. Embrace your mysterious side to keep him intrigued and wanting more. Maintaining an air of mystery, such as avoiding oversharing or keeping certain aspects of your life private. The curiosity you generate will make him yearn to uncover more layers of your personality. 5. Focus on self-improvement. Personal growth and self-improvement are attractive qualities that make a man miss you. Importance of investing time and effort into your own development. Whether it's pursuing a new hobby, advancing your career, or working on your physical fitness, radiating confidence and personal growth will leave a lasting impression on him. 6. Be supportive of his goals. Supporting his goals and aspirations is key to making him miss you. It is important to being his cheerleader, offering encouragement, and showing genuine interest in his endeavors. Your support will create a bond and make him appreciate your presence in his life. 7. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude is contagious and attractive. The power of maintaining positivity, even in challenging times. By being a source of light and positivity, you'll leave a lasting impression on him and make him miss your uplifting presence. 8. Create intrigue with limited availability. Creating a sense of limited availability can ignite his desire to be with you. It is important to create balance in your schedule and not always being readily available. This will create anticipation and make him appreciate the time you spend together even more. 9. Keep the flirtation alive. Flirtation is a powerful tool to make him miss you. Flirt techniques such as playful teasing, maintaining eye contact, and sending flirty texts, keeping the spark alive and the anticipation high will ensure he can't stop thinking about you. 10. Show your authenticity. Lastly, being your authentic self is the ultimate way to make him miss you. Emphasize the importance of being genuine, embracing your quirks, and showing vulnerability. When he sees the real you, he'll develop a deep connection and long for your authentic presence in his life. Conclusion. And there you have it. 10 special tips on how to make a man miss you. Remember, the key is to strike a balance between making him miss you and nurturing a healthy, loving relationship. These tips are meant to enhance the connection between you and create a sense of longing, but always prioritize open communication and mutual respect. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice, and share it with your friends who might benefit from these special tips. Thank you for watching, and may you create a strong and fulfilling bond that leaves him missing you every step of the way. Until next time.